But I don't see any difference in what Bobi Wine said and what the federation is trying to say. Oluzungu doza lwelwage na neluchankala namu. But Bobi Wine was sending the same message that the federation is trying to fight for. Yes. Na ebigambo maybe byakozesa bali bakitwalanga offensive. Yet it was it's just English. Oluzungu lwelwage tobuziwaawo. But they were all having the same message. At the end of the day, they want their rights to be respected without looking like they are dependent on the government.
Salvador, you've been here for a while.
Yeah.
So what do you expect from Awilo and Africa Band?
Listen, the first time I saw Awilo perform at Serena, he killed it. The first time I saw Afrigo perform, they killed it. Now imagine two killers on the same stage. Imagine two killers on the same stage. That is a murder. That's
murder. So you expect to be murdered?
No, it's going to be a beautiful show. That one I can tell you for sure.
Okay. Yeah. Everyone has been here for long.
Yeah.
Everyone is appreciating Awilo. Awilo is appreciating Africa Band.
Yes.
Salvador, take us through the memory lane of Awilo and the Africa Band.
Listen, growing up, we were listening to Awilo Longoma. That one I'll tell you for a fact. I come from a Congolese family. My mom is Congolese. So it was obvious that we had to grow up listening to Lingala music and the likes of Wenge Muzika, Koffi Olomide, Franco, Madilu System, Pepe Kale, Awilo Longoma. Those are the musics we came growing up to because it was authentic. And I loved what Awilo said. Let us go back to when music made sense. Right now, Amapiano comes, everybody jumps on Amapiano. Over what comes Chidandari, everybody jumps on that. Nobody wants to be original with their own sound. Like he said, back in the day, you would listen to music and say, that's Franco. You listen to music, you say, that's Pepe Kale. But now you listen and you just say, that's Amapiano. You cannot even name the artists. So that kills the whole essence of being creative and being original. So it was beautiful.
Ngatuvude kwa Awilo Longoma Africa Band. Salvador ebitu bigenda mu ggwanga bimanyi tusoke tutandikire eri emabega mwakola meeting eyaba comedian yale kwata kuki
twali twagala kuforminga kibiina era twakiforminga
federation
federation association yes
namwe mwagala sente
nedda we wanted to just be organized kyava ku a reason yali omuto waffe King Kong we yafa tetumanyi jabeera tetulina information tetumanyi obaba yali mu ddwaliro ki obaba muzikawa. It was so painful. Netugamba, listen, if we have an association where we have a pool on contacts of each and every one of us, we will be able to help out each other, especially in terms of lead. An association okujijoininga omwaka osasole emitwalo 10 100,000 per year. So that money goes into the pool in case omuntu afiiriddwa tugenda ne tukola ki ne tumuyamba. So that is the reason we formed the association. It had nothing to do with looking for money. Era wali otulabyeko nga tuli mu government office nga tunoonya sente. Fe association yaffe twagiforminga lwa kwagaliza munno ku bizibu bye byatubaako. Yes. Kati ogenda olaba during COVID group yaffe ya WhatsApp yafukanga fundraising group. Okitegeera. Naye singa twali tulinayo pool twandibadde tuyambanga ku bantu banaffe and it would have been easier. So that's the beauty of the association, and that is why we are forging a way to make sure it is stable and it moves forward.
Sebanga esigala wa
Sebanga simanche ya forming a company. No, which is the truth. Yeah, kubanga ye director. Mu association temuli mu director. Mulimu ba presidents, vice president, treasurer, secretary, and they run for a certain time. Ye ya registering a company nga ye nanyini. So fe kati nga bwe ndi vice president of the association omwaka gwange gugwako this year sigenda kuddamu kwesimbawo omulala agenda kwesimbawo.
Salvador omwana oyo ani ali musonyi waba yakola company
ani
Seba?
No, si kizibu kye. Maybe you also didn't know. Ye yali amanyi tufominze tuka ya luzungu nga agenda kufominga ye ey'oluganda, but he did not know the rules of procedure on forming an association. Ye ya forming a muchi company.
Twagenda okulaba nga abayimbi bafominze federation ate kaseera katono ne tulaba nga namwe mukoze muyisa olukuŋŋaana abantu basooka ne balowooza ne bagamba nammwe mwagala kufuna ku ssente zino.
Ani ayita olukuŋŋaana?
Saawa abayimbi bwe bakolera federation we mwayitira
ani ayita Muhanji yayita meeting nga Muhanji. Yes, that's why yaliko Alex Muhanji, CEO of Comedy Store. Naye kiraka yali ayina ebimuluma nga yagala tumuwulirize. So he formed the meeting. Unfortunately, nali siriyo, nali kachiri. Saliyo, but I posted it on my page, calling all comedians to come and do it, because it was important. If one of us has a grievance, it is good for all of us to listen to him. And I was very active when I was on phone, actually, nga meeting again amaso. So it's not related to the federation whatsoever. You've not seen us going to parliament, or going to Kapeka, or going to Mutundwe, or Gulu, okufuna sente. No, twagala chintu chabe chibe streamline. Yes.
Kalibana bachikola obalabanga ki?
I have no comments on what they are doing. I don't know their intentions. I don't know what they are trying to achieve. Kubanga siri muyimbi, and it's for the benefit of musicians. Siri wange. Era balwanira copyright when ndidda mu oluyimba bansibe.
Balwanira copyright abayimbi gye balwanira. Nammwe nga comedians mwetaaga copyright.
Yeah.
What's your basis on Bobi Wine and Kenzo?
Like I said, I don't know what is going on in their whatever is going on. Simanyi. Kosiberanga ngayo mu meeting ezabwe. So it's hard for me to tell what it's all about. But I don't see any difference in what Bobi Wine said and what the federation is trying to say. Oluzungu doza lwelwage na neluchankala namu. But Bobi Wine was sending the same message that the federation is trying to fight for. Yes. Na ebigambo maybe byakozesa bali bakitwalanga offensive. Yet it was it's just English.
Oluzungu
lwelwaleeta obuzibu. But they were all having the same message. At the end of the day, they want their rights to be respected without looking like they are dependent on the government.
Wabigobamu tikyampamire n'omugamba waliwo olunaku lwe bali olunaku nga bayomba ku kigambo kya MDD. N'ogamba mpamiredde bali.
Ebintu tetwagala tubingiremu nnyo. We can make fun of it, but don't show sides. Because right now, you cannot do comedy without music. And you cannot do music without comedy. Okay, you can do music without comedy. But okusigalawo, which is the honest truth. We as comedians, to sustain ourselves, we need musicians. So now when we're taking asides over, sorry chigamba, over, yeah, that's why. Over nakatuli. He's my brother in this industry, and we fight for the same thing. But we don't also have to be careless in what we say. We all love these artists from day one. They have all been on our shows. So why do you show sides? Ngoyagala chi likes? No.
So you are against Pamela Kyeyagenda okukola. But for him yali aranirira MDD kubaji agamba naye yagisoma ate emubeze.
That was not the intention. It was not the intention.
Twawuliddeko ebino ebyagundi ebyo okuba nti oli mu kooti simanyi baagala osasula ebiki. Sooka otunnyonnyola kiki what happened?
No, ebintu bya kooti biba bya kooti. So until you hear me come out to make an official statement, I cannot say anything about it.
No,
because the case is still in court. So oliye wasalawo okukiteeka mu mawulire akiteekeyo, but at the end of the day tujja kulaba ani aseka. Yes. At the end of the day, tujja kulaba ani aseka.
Abadde tudde mugamba Salvador ate bamugamba sasule zino sente ate make this amount on million 3.
Nze ndabamu million 5 even. But at the end of the day, the law is the law. Weba gamba otekeyo million 5 oyina oziteekayo. Oyina oziteekayo. Ate kati olowooza mbadde nkolera majani. Nina okukola.
Okay.
So simple ndi mugaga, but when law ekukwata, you do everything to make sure you are on the right side of it.
Of course, you all know my name is Patrick Salvador. I'm an entertainer here in Uganda. I'm a businessman and I'm a lover of good music. And listen, the title stands for itself, Legends of Sound. And we all know we've grown up to the music of Afrigo Band. We've grown up to the music of Awilo Band. These are two professional artists that really put up an amazing performance. I've been privileged to perform on the same stage with both of them. I met Awilo in Dubai, and it was one of the most exciting experiences in my life because this is somebody I grew up listening to the music, but now we're at the same bar on the rooftop, and he was sharing knowledge about how we, especially East Africans, have to come together and we stop the monopoly of the Nigerians. We were all in Dubai, but we were all hired by a Nigerian. So I was with Eddie Kenzo, Eddie Kadi, Awilo, and he shared some words of wisdom. And then later on, I think that same year, came to Serena Hotel, even performed, put up a powerful show in Arua for over 17,000 people. So this man is a professional, he's a legend, he is an amazing performer. Afrigo, do I have to say anything? We all know the only band that can sing almost every day and sell out. And nobody even stops coming, nobody complains. And it's because of Afrigo Band that now we have the emergency of bands. At least now we have bands almost every day in different clubs and they all pay homage to Afrigo Band. So 5th August, please let's make our way to the Sheraton Gardens. It's going to be a beautiful event. Talent Africa, you all know, whatever they touch turns into gold. So I'm super excited. I just wanted to come and say hi to my friends, Awilo and of course Afrigo, and I say I'm going to support. I'll buy a table that Ali will pay for. Yeah, but I'm going to be there. I'm coming to enjoy, and it's going to be beautiful. So I invite each and every one of you on behalf of beautiful music lovers, come through 5th of August at the Sheraton Gardens. Let us enjoy what is music. And we forget what is happening today. What is music? Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. May God bless you.